Welcome to our SEIIV Silent Exchange Guide on identifying trends in technical analysis and their effects on capital markets. Trends in financial markets can be categorized into three main types, which are inclined trend, which is a bullish trend, a decline trend, which is a bearish trend, and a stagnant trend, which is a trend that forms a horizontal line with no directional bias. An uptrend occurs when the price of market moves higher over time. Some key characteristics of an inclined uptrend are: buying pressure dominates, driving prices higher, strong candle body with low volatility wicks, rising lows, rising highs, and upward directional bias with strong bullish momentum all are key characteristics of an inclined trend. A decline trend happens when the price consistently declines. Some key characteristics of this may include lower highs and lower lows. Just like in a bullish trend, higher highs and high lows signal bullish entries. In a bearish market, low highs and lower lows signal bearish entries.